Picture this, it's wash day and you realize you ran out of hair gel and your favorite Melanin Haircare multi-use pure oil blend. Well, luckily the full-size award-winning Melanin Haircare multi-use pure oil blend was just restocked on the Melanin Haircare website. So you can go and grab your favorite Melanin Haircare oil blend now while supplies last using the link in my description box. What about the hair gel? No problem, your girl Natural85 taught you how to make some easy flaxseed gel at home. You forgot to buy flax seeds at the grocery store. Now what? Those act a bit like flax seeds, and they do produce a gel that I use to thicken up my smoothies. Just maybe this could work. Let's give this a try. Chia seeds are rich in amino acids, omega-3s, zinc, copper, iron, and selenium, which all help reduce hair fall and increase hair growth, shine, and moisture levels. Eating chia seeds regularly is going to be the best way to take advantage of all these nutrients, but you can also apply the chia seeds topically to help add moisture to your hair and give your scalp a nutritional boost. So here's how to make another quick hair gel at home using the gel from these amazing seeds. For my DIY Chia Seed Hair Gel, you'll need your chia seeds, of course, a blender, knee highs, or you can cut the legs off of some old pantyhose, and an optional applicator bottle to store your gel. You'll also want to grab a bowl and you'll need some water. Now, you're going to want to use more or less of what I show you depending on how much hair you have. I use about a cup of chia seeds, pour that straight into the blender cup, and for every 1 cup of chia seeds, I'm going to use 3 cups of water. Okay, so now I'm just going to simply let the water and chia seeds sit and congeal for about 30 minutes. This process doesn't take long at all. In fact, you can see the seeds start to release their gel almost instantly. I love that unlike flax seeds, chia seeds don't require heat to release their gel. It makes this recipe even easier to create. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and you can see that a chia seed pudding has now formed. The chia seeds have successfully released their gel and now we just have to figure out a way to separate the gel from their seeds. So here's where my handy blender comes in. I'm just popping the top on this chia seed pudding and it's already in my Ninja Bullet blender. And now I'm going to pulse blend this very carefully. You don't want to pulverize the seeds. Just pulse blend the seeds on and off, allowing the mix to rotate around the blender so the gel can be pulled away from the seed. And so as you can see, each pulse of the blender helps to separate more gel. All right, I think we have a good amount of gel here. So just place a knee high over a tall cup or a cup large enough to house what's in your blender and pour that chia gel, seeds and all, inside the pantyhose. I'm going to lift the pantyhose out of the cup and I'm grabbing a bowl so that I have more surface area to squeeze my gel into. We're not trying to make a mess here. And if you've seen any of my original flaxseed gel recipe videos, you know what the next step is. The most satisfying step, squeeze out all of your gel. Now that we pulse blended the gel away from the seeds, check out how quickly and easily you're able to extract that gel into your bowl. I'm all about that work smarter, not harder life if I can help it, guys. So now you can add anything that you want to this gel, or you can just use it as is. I'm going to use it as is just so you can see how it works on its own. I'm transferring the gel into an applicator bottle to make it easier to apply. And that's it. Your gorgeous chia seed hair gel is ready to use. And now, my friends, you can add this simple recipe to your list of DIY hair gels that you can create quickly at home. So now we just apply the gel section by section. I'm applying it out of the shower, but a quick tip for you, just like my flaxseed gel recipe, if you apply this in the shower on soaking wet hair, you'll be able to use less of the chia seed gel. And of course, the less you use, the less crunchy your curls will be. So just keep that in mind. It's up to you about how much you use, whether you like softer curls or you want a harder, more crunchy hold. My homemade flax and chia seed hair gels are my favorite to use because they're completely natural. They give my hair tons of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals while enjoying the benefits of my curly wash and go style. And I love that because these gels are natural, I can rub them right into my scalp as well, making this a double treat for my hair and scalp. So here's my wash and go once my hair has dried. I'm just adding a bit of the Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend to help break that cast and shape my hair. And that's it. Super easy. DIY Chia Seed Hair Gel. You're welcome. I hope you guys give this a try. If you do, please tag me on Instagram or TikTok so I can see your results. Oh, and hello to all the brands watching this video. Guys, let's see how long it takes for a Chia Seed hair gel to show up on the market now. All right, guys, that's it. Let me stop being petty. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I love creating new recipes and giving you guys more ideas on what you can use at home to help care for and style your hair. Natural ingredients are just my favorite to work with. And if you guys love the ingredients that I use in my homemade DIY products, you're gonna love my haircare brand, Melanin Haircare. I incorporate all of my favorite ingredients and more into my haircare line to make sure that you can achieve your most nourished, healthy hair possible. You can grab your Melanin Haircare products today at melaninhaircare.com. Again, we just restocked the full-size multi-use pure oil blend. I know a lot of you guys were looking for that, so go grab it while you can, and while it's in stock, hopefully we can keep it in stock for a little bit longer this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.